Welcome to the public input meeting presentation for the North Dakota Department of Transportation's Highway 10 structure repair. The structure is located 4 miles east of North Dakota 18 over Swan Creek between Mapleton and Casselton. My name is Luke Beckerman, and I am the Houston Engineering Consultant Project Manager. On behalf of the North Dakota Department of Transportation and Houston Engineering, we want to thank you for taking your time to view this presentation we have prepared for this project. This presentation will include discussion on the following topics: project location, project purpose and need, structure repairs that will be completed, detour route, project schedule, and public feedback. The goal of the presentation is to solicit input from property owners, businesses, residents, and others adjacent to the project limits and answer any questions. Public outreach for this event includes a virtual public input meeting and social media distributed by the North Dakota Department of Transportation. Public comments received will be responded to in a timely manner and will be included in the final environmental document. As previously stated, the project is located on Highway 10 just south of Interstate 94. The structure is located 4 miles east of North Dakota 18 over Swan Creek between Mapleton and Casselton. The project limits would extend approximately 250 feet east and west of the structure. The project purpose is to repair the existing bridge, reestablishing the structural integrity of the bridge, increase the lifespan of the structure with a deck overlay, and improve safety of the structure by replacing the outdated rail retrofit and guardrail off the ends of the bridge. The structure was originally constructed in 1959, added riprap below the structure in 1983, and received a rail retrofit in 1993. The existing deck exhibits delamination, spalling, and patching throughout. Both abutments have significant erosion and undermining with exposed piling. Additionally, the rail retrofit, as well as the guardrail off the ends of the bridge, no longer meet design standards and need to be replaced to improve the safety of the structure. The current project estimate is approximately $225,000 for structure rehabilitation. The existing bridge deck exhibits several areas of spalling, patching, and delamination at various locations around the deck. The deck will receive a concrete overlay in which 1/2 inch of the existing deck is milled off, and a new 1.5 inch overlay will be placed, raising the profile 1 inch. The deck will be tied into the existing roadway off the ends of the bridge. Additionally, the existing rail retrofit does not meet current design standards. Because of this, the existing rail retrofit will be removed and a new rail retrofit will be installed to increase the safety of the bridge. The existing guardrail off the ends of the bridge does not meet current design standards and exhibits several areas of damage. The guardrail will be replaced to meet current design standards and improve the safety of the structure. The existing guardrail will be salvaged and reused as possible. The existing abutments exhibit erosion and undermining at both abutments, exposing piling under the abutments. The undermining will be repaired with foam injection under the abutments, which will protect the piling from exposure to the elements as well as protect from further erosion. The remainder of the slopes under the bridge and existing riprap will be left as is. Additionally, both abutments exhibit several areas of spalled concrete, which will be repaired. The project is anticipated to be constructed in a single phase in which the road will need to be closed to all through traffic. The existing bridge has an existing inside 24-foot clear width, so phase construction for the bridge deck overlay will not be possible. Specific timelines on the road closure will be set to provide for the least inconveniences for the traveling public. Message boards on I-94 before Casselton and Mapleton, as well as road closed signs on Highway 10 will be placed to alert the public of the road closure. All accesses on each side of the structure will be able to be maintained during construction. The detour for overheight vehicles would be North Dakota 18 in Casselton, south to Highway 46, and continuing east Interstate 29, which would go north to Fargo as shown in the photo above. Other traffic would still use Interstate 94 between Casselton and Mapleton. The tentative project schedule is depicted by this timeline graphic. This project began Phase 1 and Phase 2 activities associated with the preliminary design and environmental document late last year. We are nearing completion of Phase 2 as highlighted by the yellow star, with today's public input meeting. Phase 2 completion is anticipated in the spring of 2024, with approval of the environmental document. The project will then move into Phase 3, final design and utility coordination, with a tentative completion in the summer of 2024. The construction phase is tentatively scheduled for the 2025 construction season. It should be noted the 2025 dates are tentative and subject to change. Your input is valuable in regards to the proposed project improvements. If you have any comments, questions, or recommendations on the proposed improvements, please submit written comments to my attention at the mailing address shown, or submit comments by email address provided with the subject Public Input Meeting. You may also visit the project website by scanning the QR code shown and provide feedback through the comment card. All comments must be postmarked or emailed by February 9th, 2024. Lastly, we are asking viewers to voluntarily complete the North Dakota Department of Transportation Title VI Public Participation Survey. You may download the form from the project site, Title VI Survey SFN 60149. Please complete the form and mail to the address shown. This concludes the public input meeting presentation for the Highway 10 structure repair project in Cass County. Again, on behalf of the North Dakota Department of Transportation and Houston Engineering, we thank you for attending this presentation.